All right, Bill Baruch's been a pretty active trader, part of our investment committee, of course. He joins us right now again because he's bought JP Morgan. So you initiated a small position in JPM yesterday, I'm told, correct?
That's right. And, at the end of the day, JP Morgan is the undisputed heavyweight champion in banking. We've owned Bank of America, but I've been hesitant to build into that position. It's been sitting in the cellar, bottom 5 of our 30 stocks. But I like what we've seen in rates. I like some of the environment coming ahead. I mean, year 2 of a bull market, which we're heading into, is I think financials and healthcare can outperform. So I want to get more banking in there. JP Morgan, I mean, they've guided strong on net interest income. And I just think that they're going to be the leader. So Bank of America may have some catch-up to play here, but in case it doesn't, I think JP Morgan needs to be in the portfolio. So adding the two together, they're in the middle of the pack, even though they both sit in the bottom.
Yeah, I'm looking at financials. I mean, they just can't get much traction. This, issue of where rates are and where projections are and where the economy might be going seems to just continue to hamper this group. A good week here, a good week there. The more medium-term picture looks dicey, though, no?
Absolutely. And my fear here is you look at Bank of America and you overlay that with the 10-year Treasury. I mean, they're trading leg and leg. So you think if you're buying financials here, you have to think that we could be topping in yields. And I do. In the commodity fund that I run, I am long 2-year futures. That's a Stanley Druckenmiller trade. I've been in that just before he was talking about it, too. So I'm positive here that I think we're turning in the rate environment, a big 10-year auction coming up to today. But it's not about right here, right now. I think as we head into next year, a lot of this is going to subside. Again, $131 billion in unrealized losses in Bank of America is an eyesore. So that's why I'm hesitant to add to that. But I want a little more financial exposure in adding JP Morgan.
All right, good stuff. And we appreciate you coming on and telling us about that. We'll see you back on the desk soon.